Hey, welcome to my video. Today I want to review the Neewer ND and polarizing filter for the DJI Mavic Air drone. Why do we need an ND filter? Because the lens of the drone has an aperture of 2.8, which results in a very fast shutter speed, resulting in choppy and jumpy video, as you can see in the example we did with my other camera on a glacier in bright sunlight. When you put a filter on the drone, it acts like sunglasses, increasing the shutter speed and introducing motion blur, making the footage look more cinematic and professional. Why do you need a polarizing filter? Because the sun is reflected from shiny surfaces like the water, and when you put a filter on the drone, you can literally see through the water. Also the trees will be more green, the sky will be more saturated, contrasty and blue. Okay, now I want to show you how you can mount the filter on the drone. The gimbal comes from the factory with a ring that is screwed onto the gimbal. You have to begin by unscrewing this ring. Hold the gimbal with 2 fingers so that it cannot move and turn the ring counterclockwise until it's coming off. Now you can screw on the Neewer filter. Note that the filter can be turned to change the polarization. So don't be surprised that the front part of the filter is rotating. Later you can check the effect of the polarization on the remote controller screen while rotating the front of the filter until you see the desired effect.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
What is my conclusion of the Neewer ND and polarizing filter? The filter effectively reduces the shutter speed. But don't expect magic happening. When there is harsh light, the camera of the Mavic Air will still struggle not to blow out the highlights. It is important that you film in scene-like to preserve as much of the highlights and shadows as you can. The polarizing filter increases contrast and reduces reflections. This can be a desired effect when you want to see through water and other surfaces. It takes away reflections from trees, etc. Be aware that this can also remove definition because the sunlight creates shiny highlights. And be careful when you take pictures. Don't go too much down with the shutter speed, otherwise you get blurry images. Or you fly again without the ND filter to take pictures. The filter introduces some color cast, but I think you can remove it in post to some degree. The filter comes in a square box. I think the box could have been smaller. Because I showed a lot of water sports, the filter will be very valuable, removing this white cast that I can see in lots of my videos. If you have any question, please post in the comments below. Also there's a link where you can buy the filter. Please subscribe to my channel for videos like this. And see you next time. Bye. Thank you.